Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Vivo T2 Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So in this video I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number. First of all, we will use our contact list so we can block the number which we've got currently saved, and the second option requires entering the settings and it is more manual, I would say. So let's start with your contact list. Let's open it, for example using the dialer, and then let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap. Now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So let's simply tap on block if you are ready. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon, we've got also this information, which simply means that we just successfully blocked the number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, right here. However, let me leave it like this, let me leave it blocked, because we will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist, which we will enter in our second way of blocking the number. And here it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Of course, I'm talking about the dialer, whenever you will do it via the dialer. We have to simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. In this general section, let's find blocked numbers. And basically, this is our blacklist, and that's the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option also works. And I also said that this way of blocking the number is more manual because we have to tap on add a number. And as you can see, we've got this section where we can freely enter the number. We can also paste it if we've got it copied, so you don't have to have it saved on your contacts, and then tap on block. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied to the blacklist, which again means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. Here you've got also the option unknown, which means that after turning it on just by tapping on the switcher, your device will be allowed to block the calls from all unidentified callers. So it may be useful. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, obviously, and you can unblock the numbers just by tapping on this X button right next to them. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.